Why haven't I met Lolo and Lola yet?
Huwag ka na mag-alala doon. Bakit naman sa dinabi namin na pwede mo itanong yan pa?
Ano ba? I also wanted to know who my grandparents were, you know? Like, wala na nga akong mama, tapos the rest of my family, di ko rin alam. Tapos yung babae, pagkikil mo, sige na.
Hindi naman ganun kadali yun na.
Sige. Sige na. Sige na.
Aaron, isa pa! Yan mo na. Okay?
This is getting unfair. Dapat mo sinasabi me.
Please! Wait until I'm ready. Come on!
You'll never be ready. I just want to meet my family.
Maybe one day, malaman mo kung bakit, Karen. Mahal kita. Pero hindi ko maisasabuso na sabihin sa'yo ang naranasan ko. I've made up my mind a long time ago. Dear anak, I'm sorry if I ever kept it from you. I'm sorry na di ko napaparamdam sa'yo na mahal kita. Pero sana, kahit papaano, napapansin mo sa galaw ko. I'm proud of you. And maybe, myself too. Ikaw ang nagbago ng buhay ko as much as binago ko buhay mo. You became a lesson. You taught me how to become. You taught me to think with my head rather than my heart. At pinaka-importante, nakikita ko na hindi ka takot sa akin. Na nire-respeto at minamahal mo ako bilang tatay mo. Kasi pinakita ko na sa iyo